Hello class 9 student. Today I am going to explain you a poem named The Legend of Northland by Phoebe Cary. So this poem is a ballad. So what do you mean by ballad? A ballad is a poem narrating a story in short stanza. Ballads are a part of folk culture that are passed on orally from one generation to the next. So, in this poem, the poets tell us a story of the Northland. At that time, Saint Peter lived on earth. He used to go round the world to preach people whom he met on the way. One day he came to the door of a cottage where a little woman was making cakes and baking them on the hearth. Saint Peter had taken nothing the whole day, so he was fainting with hunger. He asked the lady to give him a piece of cake. The woman was very greedy and selfish. Giving something to anyone was a very difficult task for her. The cake that she was baking appeared to be too big. So she made a small cake for the hungry saint. But that also appeared to be too big to be given away. So she made another one which was even smaller than the first one. But when it was ready, it appeared to be big. So she did not give him that also. Then she took an extremely thin scrap of dough and rolled it flat. She had it like a thin as a wafer, but she was too greedy to part with even this cake and put it on the shelf. So she didn't give it, she kept it on the shelf. This angered Saint Peter a lot. He told her that she was not fit to live in the world in human form and enjoy food, shelter, and warmth of fire. He cursed her and transformed her into a woodpecker who has to bore in the dry wood hard to get its scanty food. She can be seen in the wood where she still lives and keeps boring trees for her food all the day.